Today I cook a hot soup.
Today, I
Cook a hot soup. I prepare garlic and onion first. I prepare garlic and onion first. I peel the white garlic now. I peel the white garlic now. Next, I peel a red onion. Next, I peel a red onion. I wash them under the water. I wash them under the water. The clean water feels very cool. The clean water feels very cool. All ingredients are clean now. All ingredients are clean now. Now I cut the vegetables. Now I cut the vegetables. I hold a sharp chef's knife. I hold a sharp chef's knife. I cut the onion in half. I cut the onion in half. I slice the purple red onion. I slice the purple red onion. I crush the small garlic cloves. I crush the small garlic cloves. I chop the garlic very small. I chop the garlic very small. I chop the big orange carrot. I chop the big orange carrot. The wooden board is ready now. The wooden board is ready now. Modern. I turn on the modern stove. I turn on the modern stove. The stove button makes a sound. The stove button makes a sound. Ha! The yellow butter melts very fast. The yellow butter melts very fast. I fry garlic and onion now. I shift garlic and onion now. I stir fry them with wooden spoon. I stir fry them with wooden spoon. I add mushrooms and orange carrots. I add mushrooms and orange carrots. The hot food smells so good. The hot food smells so good. I love this sweet cooking sound. Everything is beautiful in my kitchen. Everything is beautiful in my kitchen. I pour fresh chicken broth inside. I pour fresh chicken broth inside. The clear water covers all vegetables. The clear water covers all vegetables. I add some thick white cream. I add some thick white cream. I mix the sweet milk together. I mix the sweet milk together. I close the white ceramic pot. I close the white ceramic pot. The hot steam rises up slowly. The hot steam rises up slowly. The cream soup boils inside now. The cream soup boils inside now. I wait for the dinner quietly. I wait for the dinner quietly. The delicious soup is ready now. The delicious soup is ready now. I pour soup into a white bowl. I pour soup into a white bowl. I add some black pepper here. I add some black pepper here.
I eat dinner at the wooden table. I eat dinner at the wooden table.
This hot cream soup tastes so sweet. This hot cream soup tastes so sweet. Goodbye, and see you next time. Goodbye, and See you next time.